Ninja Sentai Kakuranger, traits. Core powers. Stealth, agility, and ninja magic. Use of Shikigami, summon spirits, to aid in battle. Abilities include invisibility, illusion, and elemental ninjutsu. Weapons. Traditional ninja weapons, shurikens, kunai, ninja swords, and elemental tools. Spirit-enhanced attacks and summoning techniques. Tactics. Hit-and-run tactics, stealth ambushes. Use of deception and surprise. Mecha, ninja bazooka and ninja robo, combining yokai and mechanical elements. Strengths. Excellent stealth and battlefield control. Magical versatility through yokai and shikigami. Strong teamwork with ninja discipline. Weaknesses. Mecha is less heavily armored and slower compared to modern tech. Relies heavily on surprise and magic, vulnerable if discovered early. Engine Sentai Onger, traits. Core powers. Enhanced speed and strength through engine energy. Use of engine souls to power up weapons and mecha. Weapons. Engine blasters, swords, and combined weaponry powered by engines. Energy-fueled finishers. Tactics. Fast-paced, direct combat with heavy use of speed and power. Combines machine strength with teamwork. Mecha, Onger robo and multiple engine combinations, heavily armored and fast. Strengths. Superior speed and durability. Versatile mecha with powerful finishing moves. High adaptability and raw power. Weaknesses. Less emphasis on subtlety or magic. Vulnerable to cunning or unconventional tactics. Fight analysis. The battle begins with Kakuranger using stealth, disappearing into shadows and striking from unexpected angles. Their ninjutsu illusions confuse Onger, who initially struggle to lock onto their opponents. However, Onger quickly adapt by using their speed and engine soul-powered sensors to track movements. Red leads a direct charge, forcing Kakuranger into a defensive posture. Kakuranger summons Shikigami to disrupt Onger's formations, but Onger's overwhelming firepower and speed suppress these summons quickly. When mecha combat begins, Ninja Robo uses agility and mystical attacks but struggles against Onger Robo's superior armor and firepower. Onger Robo's speed and heavy weapons give them the edge in sustained combat. Kakuranger attempt to use illusion and magic to destabilize Onger's controls but fail to disrupt their mechanical resilience fully. Chance of winning. Kakuranger, 40%. Their stealth and magic grant them tactical advantages early but struggle in prolonged direct combat. Onger, 60%. Superior speed, power, and armored mecha give them the advantage in sustained fights.